Good morning, this is Betty's Cooking Channel. This is Betty Burnett. Today I am making some turkey meatballs. I'm adding some Old Bay seasoning to the turkey meat, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some sea salt. I just added some pepper, and I'm going to add some milk. And I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to add some oil to it. Added the oil and an egg in here. I'll go ahead and mix this up. This is a very good juicy turkey meatball. If you don't like turkey, you can use the same recipe for ground beef. It will taste good as well. I'm going to test my meatballs before I roll them up, just to make sure there's enough salt in it. So I'm going to do that now. And you should do that anytime you're making a meatloaf or either meatballs. I'll just make it flat so it'll cook faster. The meatball is very good. Just enough seasoning, salt, just perfect. These are the ingredients for the pasta sauce that I'm gonna make. I have Italian seasoning, brown sugar, black pepper, salt. I have traditional pasta sauce with no salt, and I have the whole wheat spaghetti, and I'm gonna use 8 ounces of that, and 8 ounces is for 4 people. All right, let's get started. Okay, I have my little small ice cream scooper I'm gonna use to scoop the meatballs out with, so all of them are the same size. And I'm gonna wet my hands, and I'm gonna place them on the meatball tray for now. I know all of them are around the same size, so I will roll them a little later. Just right now, just getting them on there on the tray here. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to roll the meatballs. I have placed all of them on the tray here, but I haven't rolled them out yet. So you just add some water to your hand and just roll them out. You can let them touch each other, because we're gonna bake these in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven while I continue to roll out those meatballs, turkey meatballs. Turn on the oven, so it'll be all ready for our meatballs when we place them in there. Turkey meatballs, they cook faster than beef meatballs, but also when we take them out of the oven, we're gonna add them to the sauce. And while the meatballs are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make my spaghetti, and then I'm gonna make my sauce. I got all of the meatballs ready to go in the oven. So I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes so I can get started on the rest of the items that I need to do. Added a half a pot of water for my pasta, and I'm gonna also add some salt to it. I'm adding the salt in the water right now, and I'm gonna wait till it come to a boil, and then I'm gonna add my pasta in there, and I'm gonna leave it in the water according to the direction on the spaghetti box. I'm also gonna set my timer, so I make sure I take it out at the time I need to. Notice I added the whole pasta in my hot water, so it will cook according to the directions on the box. I'm just pushing them down in the water a little bit with my hand. You can use any kind of tool to just get it all in the water. Here, see? Everything is... Here are the meatballs. They cooked at 450 degrees for 15 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna take the spaghetti out now. It's ready. I took the spaghetti out of the water, and some of the water in this bowl that I have it sitting under, so that if I need to add some water to the sauce, I can add some of my pasta water. I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce to the pan. Add some of that pasta water to the jar. Add in some of that pasta water to the sauce there. Add my salt, sea salt, my brown sugar, pepper, and my Italian seasoning. It's very good. So when you're cooking, you want to taste your food as you go along, because you want to make sure it's enough salt for you and your family. You take a taste of it. See how it tastes? It was very good. Add the spaghetti, add the meatballs in. Oh, it looks so good. It smells so good in here. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.